Welcome back, YouTube. This is a video from Porto Formoso to Tarrafal, the pathway least chosen. Once upon Tarrafal, have lunch, see how much it goes for, what you get for $10. Caros lusófonos, este é um vídeo entre Porto Formoso e Tarrafal. Chegando a Tarrafal, uma pessoa pode ver quanto é que custa uma refeição. E, como sempre, um forte abraço a todos os lusófonos. Tchau. To switch it up a little bit, if you come to Santiago Island, go through Calheta onto Tarrafal so you can see this area. I want you to see if that's possible. Over there you got another huge bay, beautiful bay. Look at that. And once in a while you see a beautiful girl too. Hey, buteni namorado? Mas buchama. White wine, regular wine, rosé, green wine, aka Vert, whiskey, a lot of fish. I'm just gonna go with the grilled tuna for $8. Let's see how much you're gonna put for $8. So we're finally at Tarrafal. Coming from Porto Formoso, Tarrafal. Here's the proof. Hopefully you enjoyed the images. And I took the path less chosen. Everybody goes from Achada to Tarrafal, and I think everybody's missing out. I think you should do both. Porto Formoso is a beautiful place, so here's the proof. So the images that you saw was from Porto Formoso all the way to Tarrafal. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe, and please, if you don't like it, smash that like button. Deuces.